Hey guys, so if you see, like, we are done removing the aero fairing from the bike. Now this gives us the easier access to replace the brake fluid and the clutch fluid. Some of the Italian bikes want or have the clutch fluid as well, but this is nothing that you cannot find. It's basically the same dot for brake fluid that goes into the clutch fluid as well. Now if you see a very ingenious thing that MV Agusta does, they actually mark all their bolt settings. So this is like when they hand tighten to a specific torque, they mark them. So like whenever you are working on the bike, you can go back to the same setting. You can align the bolts so that, like, if you guys have any issues with the torque spec, you can just align it. Before changing the fluid, you should always inspect the brake pads, the rotors, the calipers. So what we have done here is, if you see, like, we have replaced the brake pads a few times, and you can see the wear that has happened, like the red or the yellow on the caliper is not present on the bolt here, if you guys see closely. So we went ahead, used a permanent marker and made this indentation, so whenever we are tightening it back, we actually approach the same torque spec. Now for these bolts, the torque spec is available everywhere. It's 32 Newton meters, but still, if you guys don't have a torque wrench, just go ahead, mark this. This is the easiest thing you can do. The calipers look very decent. If you look the brake fade on the rotors, it's very even distribution, so the brake rotors are pretty good too. We'll clean them once the bike is ready, but let's go ahead and open these bolts, take the calipers out, check the brake pad wear, and if everything is good, we'll put them back and then replace the brake fluid. Let's start the process.